Using the Clientele palette, we're going for a rosy look today. I'm going to be prepping my eyes with the Perfect Prime, which is also from Be Perfect Cosmetics, tapping that out, and then we're going to go straight into the shade Sweet As and tap that into and above the crease and continue to keep building that up, sweeping the brush across the hood of our eyes to get rid of any harsh edges. Now I'm using the shade Darling to change the tone from peach to pink, making sure that blend is seamless. Then next up, we're going to be deepening the crease slightly with the shade Gigi. Then we're going to go back over any harsh edges with the shade Blush and blend those out. Using a combination of just black and Gigi, we're going to further deepen the crease and outer V. And then we're going to tap Minx all over the inner and middle lid for a pop of purple. Tapping Burgasm on the outer lid to make sure it blends. Then we're going to go back in with that shade Minx and tap it over top of both to make sure there's no harsh edges. Using the shade Sweet Eyes, we're just going to buff any edges out. And now with our baby wipe, we're going to take that and create a sharp edge because I do not like rounded eyeshadow, just for my eye shape. Then we're going back in with that first brush and using the shade Sweet As to tap that on our lower lash line, deepening it up with Gigi as well, and a little bit of black, going in with the LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner for another pop of purple, and finishing up that look with the Essence Lash Prince mascara, and a coat of that will do. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this talktorial, please stay tuned as I have plenty more in store, and feel free to comment what looks you'd like to see. Bye.